Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear case of AFK Arena. So let's get started. First, open the AFK Arena game on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option. Here, in the user settings section, you can find the advanced settings option. Tap on it. Now, tap on the repair game option. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to clear the game case. Tap on the confirm button to proceed. And this is how you can clear case of AFK Arena. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.